This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ruby, Connecticut. Great curb appeal from this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath traditional home with 2,359 square feet on nicely landscaped cul-de-sac lot with 2-car garage and detached workshop. Architectural shingled roof. Covered front porch. Many recent updates and improvements. Brand new granite countertops and new luxury vinyl plank flooring in kitchen. Fabulous master bedroom with high tray ceiling and big walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Private master bath with big soaking tub and separate shower, long double sink vanity. Great detached workshop is insulated with 110 and 220 electricity and an air conditioner unit. HVAC replaced April 2019. So many wonderful features.